Several basic controls govern population size. Example, birth rate, the number of individuals added population through reproduction. Death rate, the number of individuals removed from a population due to mortality. Migration, the movement individuals into immigration of out of immigration of population can affect population size. Number 4, food availability, access to food can limit population growth. Predator is is a regulator prey population by controlling their numbers. 6, disease, the presence of disease can impact population. 7, environmental factor, climate, weather, natural disease, and other environment factor. Or 8, competition. Competition for resources such as water, shelter, and space can limit population growth. And last one, human activities. Human ac- human action like habitat degradation, population, and overexploitation of resources. Physical environment factors include food, shelter, water supply, space availability, and for plants, soil, and light. One of the factors may severely limit population size even if the others are not constrained. The law of the minimum state that population growth is limited by the resources in the shortest supply. The biological role played by the species in the environment is called niche. Organism population is competition have a niche overlap of scarce of resources for which they compete.